Hello, everyone. Today we'll introduce you how to use EndNote. So we will separate to several parts. The first part is create a general library. And second part is create a library for specific purpose. The third part will be show you how to search references. And the fourth is how to remove reference and how to import reference from different library. And then how to make PDF attachment. And then how to compress, send, share the library with other people, and how to insert reference into your bibliography. Okay, let's start one by one. So the EndNote is a software you can manage the reference. So basically, you can click the file and create a new called my EndNote general library. Okay. See. So you basically open a new or create a new documents or library. So now, if you want input or get a reference, so basically you have two possibilities. First, you can import from other library, or you can search directly by PubMed. So if you click PubMed, it will show you the three blank, so you can fill different information. The first is the author. For example, if you input ref Eric, so when you click or press enter, so you will see there's 508 references. Okay, there's too much. Okay, if you want to narrow down, you can put a year. For example, you want to see his publication with his name 2022. Okay, and you press again, so you can see 6. And if you want to see all of them, just click OK, or if you don't, you want to narrow down again. So you can, if you want to search something about SARS-CoV-2. Okay, there's a 4 paper come up, and then you click OK. So you see all these paper with his name or the publication, so it's appear here. So you can use different, if you want to search something or more accurate, the best way is to find something from PubMed and search by the title. Okay, if we input MD5 here, so you can see many papers about MD5. So if we select this one and you copy the title, go back to the software. So you remove here, remove this one, and you put the title, okay? And then you click enter. So you see this is the only one come up. So this to create a general library. So why I said we usually need a general library. The general library, so it's kind of you can accumulate all your reference, all the interesting paper into the library, and then you will you will use it every day. And if you read something interesting, and then if you a long time you didn't read this article, you may forget it. If you put it in EndNote, so you can accumulate all the reference. Okay, another it's like we create a general library or specific library or a library for a specific purpose. For example, here I create a library for SARS-CoV-2 grant. I'm writing a grant proposal about SARS-CoV-2. So I have all those reference in here. So this can it's used for my specific purpose. So basically, here I'll show you if you want to remove a reference, how do? You just click here and the left, then you can see move the reference to trash. Okay, and if you don't like this one, you don't want it, and move to trash. Okay, so if you want to, so you change your mind, you want to put them back, go to the trash, and then you click one, so you can restore or copy the reference, add the so you can restore the library. Okay, so it's go back to here. So you just restore and then it's move back. Okay. So how to import a reference? So if you have your specific grant proposal, you have the general. So you want to get something from general. So either way you can search again. For example, here in the library by PubMed. Another easiest way you can do is that you can click this one, for example. You can easily to drag to here. Okay, so if you see it's come to here, right? Or this one, yeah. Or if you want another one, it's also very simple. Okay, so you move all of them to here. Okay, so that's how you import. So you can also to move, like copy the reference to the library, and then this also allow you to move one to another. Okay, it's come here. So either you drag it in, or you choose copy to a library. So you can choose a library, or you can create a new library. That's very simple. So if you want to read a paper here, if you click, so the software only show you limited information like the author, year, title, journal, and then the abstract. If you want to read the full article, the full text, what do? You can either go to the PubMed, so you can see there's a to access the ACS publications or PubMed. So you click ACS publication, and then this is the PDF. So you can download the PDF, right? So save on your computer. For example, I save on my computer for the ASU publication. Okay, so then you can attached. So if you click this one and you click attach PDF, you choose the file you download, open. Oh, sorry, there's something wrong. We'll reopen it. Okay, we will attach again. Now you can see it, right? So this is the PDF file, it's here. So you can actually read the article through the EndNote. So that's very convenient. So the next thing will show you if you want to share with somebody, how do you do? So you go to the file and then you select compress library. And usually we will compress with the file attachment. Otherwise you will lose a lot of information. Just click OK. So put it in the publication. See, okay, now you can find in your folder the publication. So you can send this from by an email or share with Google Drive or Dropbox with the whole file with other people. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you how to insert the reference to your bibliography. So here, if you download EndNote, so will automatically integrate to your work. So there's a selection like EndNote. If you click EndNote, so you see all the those kind of choice. So if you want to insert a reference, like here, the first sentence, it is critical for the host to limit viral infection in the early stage by innate immunity. So you click before the dot, and then you choose the reference you want to insert. Okay, the reference I want to insert is from the author. This author, Harrison, is double-strand RNA sensor and modulator in innate immunity. Okay, so I can click here and go back to the Word. So you can choose insertion selected citation. So we'll automatically insert. So for the second sentence, so I will use the same reference. You can continue to insert to many places. And then coronavirus utilize many strategy to antagonise double-strand stimulate innate immune pathway. Okay, so that I need another reference. So I want to insert this vocal. Okay, you see all the reference here. And then if you don't like those style, so you can choose here their style, nature. So I like this style because it's an upcase, so you can save a lot of space. Especially when you write a proposal, you need want to reduce the size of your proposal. So there's a very limited space. So if you like others, like number, so you can choose number. See, it's changed to those style. Or if you like journal biology, it's changed to this style. So it depends, it's up to you if you like which kind of style. Okay. So I think it's almost all the information I can show you. And you also can remodeling or reformat the whole whole manuscript or whole proposal. So I hope you will be you can learn from this video, and if you have questions, please write to us, and we will try to help you. Thank you.